Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you the blend of two acrylic colors, which is the yellow ochre with titanium white. So I'm using colors from this brand called Camel, and I've been using them for close to 10 years or more, and I really like them. So if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend you to get these. They're also pretty pocket friendly and they come in various sizes. I would not suggest the smallest tubes because I think the cap of it kind of gets stuck sometimes, so it becomes really difficult to use the paints. So I've now taken a blob of the yellow ochre, and I'm also going to be adding the titanium white at the bottom. So my sheet is acrylic sheet, which is 440 GSM, meaning it is paper which is good enough for doing acrylic painting. So I'm using a flat brush. I'm dipping it in water, making sure it's not completely dry, and removing all the excess water. And I'm going to just move my brush left to right in a swift motion. So while doing this, if you feel that your colors are too dry and it's not moving, then you can use a little bit of water, but just remember that your acrylics don't require a lot of water. When you blend two colors with each other, it becomes extremely creamy, and it's very easy in fact to blend them. To blend, the trick is to just use the brush strokes in a swift motion in a single direction. So I'm just going left to right because I want the blend to be from top to bottom and not really from side to side. So that's why I have done it in this way. Once it's dried, we'll remove the masking tape. Be careful when you do that. Remove it against the paper so that it doesn't tear your painting area off. Like sometimes the fibers over there will come off. And once that's done, your painting is ready and you've learned a new thing today. I hope these tutorials are very useful for you and that you're enjoying these. Do leave a comment in the comment section below, and if you're new over here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon for the next video. Bye bye.